I do digital marketing. Why don't you join me too and do it yourself? If you don't know me by now, my name is Lisa. I'm a mom of two young adults. I'm 52 years old and I own my own beauty salon. But due to my health, I can't work a full day anymore. And the economy here went bust due to drought. So, with all those problems, I had to make a decision to do something to help me to get out of the financial burdens I carry day to day. I was the no mom, the can't do it mom. I don't have options and I don't have decisions that I can change to make myself better in terms of finances. And that is where digital marketing came in for me. It started changing my life day by day. Finances is turning up for the better. My mindset is better. And I have hope. And by Christmas, I will be debt free. So if you want to know more about this opportunity that I'm doing, please leave yes in the comments and I'll help you.